Alright, what's up? We're in the Super Bowl again, back to back, but it's against the Vikings again. You're probably like, why is Patrick Mahomes on the Vikings? We're rebuilding the Chiefs, but without Patrick Mahomes or Travis Kelce, we are the youngest team in the NFL right now. And we played them last year, lost? I don't remember, but we lost by like, no, I don't really remember. If you watch my videos, you know this is my favorite play. I've done it 80 fucking times. And it's just great because I think it was smart to trade with the Vikings for Justin Jefferson and Jordan Addison and their first round pick. I think it was a smart deal, but it's like I had to for the deal. And there was no other team that I thought had like good something like something worth Patrick Mahomes, you know? Oh, good defense. Holy. But that's just what I was gonna say. We have to keep this drive alive. We don't want to have to settle for a field goal. Oh my. Let's get a run. Let's get a... Also, if you didn't know, this is our quarterback's second year. We had our tight end, who's a rookie. This is supposed to be a play for Pacheco. But okay.
You look at this Super Bowl, the second appearance
but
for this head coach. The first
let's try and get our tight end.
We all know, but what do you think he's learned from that first go around?
Green. Oh yeah. That was a beautiful play by me. Holy. I'm okay. 4th and 7.
So now on comes the field goal unit, and wow, this is
no
ordinary try here. The Chiefs
nah, we're not gonna go for that.
Timeouts. They'll have 2 remaining as we're
gonna go with the best play in the world. Let's
on 4th down. Winkler. He's got his
okay. See? Ooh, he like that. Now, finally, Pacheco's in instead of Clyde Edwards-Helaire.
On 1st and 10, here's Pacheco.
Oh my. Oh, that's not good. That's not a good play. Let's see if we can get the tight end. Let's see.
Off the play fake. Winkler. And it's caught.
Oh, he stopped. Alright, 3rd and 2. Let's just... Oh my... Our QB is wearing a fucking bucket on his head. Come on, Pacheco. Oh my god, this is... Okay. Let's see. What is that throw? Oh my god, that throw, man. Oh, how are we at the 3-yard line? What, Mahomes threw a pick? Oh my, get off of me. Get, oh my god. This isn't going like planned. I mean, we're up.
7 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Eluding the pressure right.
Run! Oh my.
The 10 as he's brought down at the 9. All that gets him is just a yard, and now it's...
Come on, man. Ooh, 1 second left.
In the first half, they'll call the timeout. A big play forthcoming. Here's 3rd.
Come on.
The final shot before break. Winkler.
No, that's if he could have dragged his feet.
So the halftime show in the Super Bowl
in the league. He's not used to having to stop like that and stuff. But it's fine.
here.
Ooh,
These two teams sat through a
kick that
longer than
bad boy
usual
off.
30-minute wait, but we're back in action here in this Super Bowl. And no fireworks to start.
Ah, look at that. Mahomes. Oh my, they're not doing crap on offense. Let's get some other people mixed in the loop.
Off play action. Winkler.
But if they want to keep letting us use Justin Jefferson, then we will. We are not worried. We're a little bit worried. We're a little bit worried. But we have T. Higgins, Jordan Addison. There's no way we have great wide receiver core. All right, this man is just going backwards. This is horrible. Let's see if we can get T. Higgins on a slant. T. Higgs. Oh my God! It's like we about to win a Super Bowl in our second year. We have to capitalize. We have to capitalize here. Come on.
Off play action. Winkler.
Okay. I was just throwing that up to throw it up. Like, I wasn't expecting anything too crazy, you know. Oh, he has his X Factor. Oh my, why are y'all leaving him open? Go out at the... No, I was trying to go out at the one. I was trying to go out at the one.
So a 7-point game, they'll need a
Kick return.
And an extra point to tie. And this is going to be recovered by the hands team. And that should just about put a capper on this one. Fourth.
Come on. Nah, they beat us last year. We gonna do it to them. They beat us last year. We gonna do it to them. Jordan Addison. Y'all wanna call y'all timeout? Call your timeout. Pacheco. Let's go, Pacheco.
5 points of contact necessary at this stage as they'll run on first down.
Use your timeout. Yeah.
Second of their timeouts as they stop it here with just under 40 seconds to go in the game. Off the play fake. Winkler.
Take me down at the one. Great. Now that's just what I wanted. Now, where's my quarterback? Nail.
Time for this one final knee to put a bow on this title bout. That is likely the final play of this game, and no better feeling, I would imagine, than taking a knee to wrap up the Super Bowl.
And y'all gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna do it to him. We're gonna do it to him. We're gonna wait. Okay, waiting.
And they get to do just that. And we will
2 seconds.
With 2 ticks.
Now we're gonna do the QB sneak.
They'll try and sneak it here. And he'll take this for
He didn't even get it, bro. Super Bowl champs. And they bout it. Yes, sir.
And when this moment comes, I think you look back at all the blood, sweat,
We are the champions, my friend.
all building up now to say you're a Super Bowl champion. It's worth it.
Second year as quarterback, and he won the Super Bowl against Patty McFraud. Patty McFraud, your cheeks. Anywho, we won the Super Bowl. Catch y'all. Love y'all. Bye.